First Alert Weather is brought to you by the Medical Center.
Well, we had a really good taste of some big fluffy snow moving through southern Kentucky. It put down about a dusting to a quarter inch here in Bowling Green. We've had some amounts of a half inch or so back to the west and northwest, maybe up closer to an inch as you head near the Ohio River. Now, those of you living east of I-65 over toward the Green River Lake area, you're getting some of the heavy snow right now as you see that band of snow headed toward Columbia and over toward Taylor County. You're getting some of that right now. As a matter of fact, just received a polar report saying that Taylor County schools will be dismissing at 1 p.m. Eastern Time, 12 p.m. Central. So Taylor County, that's the only one that we've heard from so far that's dismissing schools early. Again, Taylor County schools will dismiss schools at 1 o'clock Eastern Time. As you can see, that band of snow continues right up through the Green River Lake area. Temperatures beginning to fall in Columbia there, 35 at the Mesonet site, while we're seeing 20s back here to the west of us, as chilly as 22 Madisonville and Hopkinsville, where the skies are still cloudy and we're still expecting the possibility of a few flurries even flying around this afternoon. Occasionally you may even see a break in the cloud cover, but not much in the way of sunshine. Now the concern turns to black ice. A lot of what is on the roadways right now should be fine, especially treated roadways, but untreated roads, that's going to be an issue, especially tonight. Well, let's show you some Mesonet numbers right now from the Mesonet sites around the area. And you can see the colder 20s back here to the west, while it's still well into the 30s out to the east of us across the Green River Lake and Lake Cumberland areas. And that wind, boy, as the snow was coming down, that made it look more impressive. And somebody said it looks like a blizzard. Well, not quite, but with winds out of the northwest 20 to 30 miles per hour, it did make it rather impressive as those snowflakes came down. But now this is the result. These are the wind chill factor temperatures right now. If you're going out at lunchtime, it feels like it's just 9 there in Greenville. Feels like it's 7 up in Hartford in Ohio County. Feels like it's 10 right here in Bowling Green. And here is the view down Scottsville Road in front of the Bowling Green Airport with just a few flurries and a cloudy sky right now and a dusting to about a quarter inch of snow or so here in Bowling Green. 25 the current temperature. Feels like it's 10 though with that northwest wind at 22 miles per hour. Here is the view from Greenville and Muhlenberg County where you picked up a dusting of snow. Your temperature is at 22 degrees. It's a nice view there from Litchfield. A little bit of a lighter chance of snow there because you've had mostly rain and now you're just now getting to see some of that light snow pulling through your area in Grayson County. And then as you head up to Munfordville, you're just now getting a little bit of light snow there moving through Hart County, but not near as much snow as we had down here in Bowling Green. It looks like some of you north of us got a little bit less. And here's Russellville with a dusting of snow right around the square with a temperature now at 22 degrees. 26 at the airport with teens and single digits off to the north and big drops in temperature. In fact, we're 17 degrees colder now at this midday hour than we were yesterday. Here's a look at the radar and you can see the back edge of all this now pushing through south central Kentucky. There may be just a little bit of a little piece of energy trying to wrap around this system that we may still see a few flurries flying around this afternoon. But other than that, things are going to remain pretty quiet. Now the concern turns toward the possibility of black ice and some slick spots as we get into the late afternoon and especially this evening. Breezy and cold for the rest of the afternoon. Just a chance of a flurry. The afternoon high around 28 and temperatures falling to 16 tonight under a partly cloudy sky. Then tomorrow we're only going to make it up to 28 and sunny, 43 Saturday. The next concern goes to the storm coming in on Sunday with rain and 44, changing to snow Sunday night into Monday morning. That could be a bigger issue than what we saw today, because that will be followed by the coldest air we've had around here in a long time. Single-digit temperatures overnight with below 0 wind chill factor. Shane will have more of this coming up tonight at 5, 6, and 10. In the meantime, back with more Midday in just a few minutes.